It's moving day, the day that buyers love and their friends hate, unless there's pizza and beverages provided. Seriously, moving day is a little exciting and a little overwhelming. As a realtor, I help my clients with this every day. But I also understand that you may have never gone through this process, or maybe it's been a while since your last purchase. And just like everything else, things change quickly. So if you haven't made a move like this before, let's break down 5 keys to making this a smooth move. The first key is to plan ahead. Start early by confirming your moving date and logistics. Whether you're hiring professionals or going DIY, make a checklist of tasks, from packing to scheduling the moving truck. Having a checklist will help make this moving process feel manageable. Step 2 is everybody's favorite: packing and organizing. Be sure to take time to label the boxes clearly by room and what's in it. This will make unpacking much easier. Pack essentials separately in clear bins if possible. That way you can see what you have in each bin, and it'll be handy right away in your new home. Don't be afraid to have the kids help. Opening a box in your new home only to find a soccer ball or a teddy bear in the box will help lighten the mood. Step 3 is to consider moving day logistics. Have a clear timeline for your moving day and keep important documents, keys, and valuables handy. Be prepared for unexpected delays. Flexibility on this day is key. Step 4 is transitioning into your new home. You want to set up utilities and services as soon as possible: electricity, internet, water, to ensure smooth transition. Oftentimes, this can be done weeks before closing, so make sure you haven't missed a thing on your checklist. The day before or the morning of closing, we'll walk through your new home and make sure everything is in order before fully moving in. Number 5, don't forget to change your address. Updating your address with the post office, banks, and subscriptions that you have will ensure that you don't miss any key communications. Spend a little time organizing each room, and this will help you feel at home faster. Moving day is a big step, but with some planning and organization, you can make this transition smooth and stress-free. If you have any questions or need advice on your moving process, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Now, in the next video, we'll discuss maintaining your home and building equity over time. Make sure to like, subscribe, or follow along and binge all these videos so you don't miss a step.